Our solar system is a fascinating place. It consists of our star, the sun, and everything gravitationally bound to it. Here are some key members. First, we have the planets. We have 8 planets in our solar system. Starting from the closest to the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Next, we have dwarf planets. One notable dwarf planet is Pluto, which was formerly considered the 9th planet. There are other dwarf planets as well. Moving on, our solar system hosts dozens of moons orbiting various planets. For instance, Earth's moon is our closest companion. Then, there are asteroids. These are rocky bodies that orbit the sun, with the asteroid belt located between Mars and Jupiter. Comets are another key member. They are icy bodies that develop tails when they approach the sun. We also have meteoroids and dust. These tiny particles float through space. Lastly, there's the interplanetary medium, which is vast regions of tenuous gas and dust filling the space between planets. Remember, our solar system is a dynamic and interconnected system, constantly revealing new discoveries. If you'd like to explore further, NASA's Solar System Exploration provides detailed information. Our solar system consists of 8 planets that revolve around the sun, which is central to our solar system. These planets have broadly been classified into 2 categories that are inner planets and outer planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are called inner planets. The inner planets are closer to the sun, and they are smaller in size as compared to the outer planets. These are also referred to as the terrestrial planets. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, is also the closest to the sun. Its geological features consist of lobed ridges and impact craters. Being so near to the sun, Mercury's temperature soars extremely high during the daytime. It can go as high as 450 degrees Celsius, but surprisingly, the nights here are freezing cold. Mercury has a diameter of 4,878 kilometers and does not have any natural satellites like Earth. Venus is said to be the hottest planet in our solar system. It has a toxic atmosphere that always traps heat. Venus is also the brightest planet and is visible to the naked eye. It has a thick silicate layer around an iron core, which is similar to that of Earth. Astronomers have seen traces of internal geological activity on Venus. With a diameter of 12,104 kilometers, Venus is quite similar to Mars. And just like Mars, Venus does not have any natural satellites like Earth. Earth is the largest inner planet, covered 2/3 with water. It is the only planet in our solar system where life is possible. Earth's atmosphere, which is rich in nitrogen and oxygen, makes it fit for the survival of various species of flora and fauna. However, human activities are negatively impacting its atmosphere. Earth has a diameter of 12,760 kilometers and has one natural satellite, the Moon. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun, and it is often referred to as the red planet. This planet has a reddish appeal because of the iron oxide present on this planet. Mars is a cold planet, and it has geological features similar to that of Earth. This is the only reason why it has captured the interest of astronomers like no other planet. This planet has traces of frozen ice caps, and it has been found on the planet. Mars has a diameter of 6,787 kilometers, and it has 2 natural satellites. And the other 4, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are termed as the outer planets. These 4 are massive in size and are often referred to as giant planets. Jupiter. It is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter has a strong magnetic field. Jupiter largely consists of helium and hydrogen. It has a great red spot and cloud bands. The giant storm is believed to have raged here for hundreds of years. Jupiter has a diameter of 139,822 kilometers, and it has as many as 79 natural satellites, which are much more than Earth and Mars. Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. It is also known for its ring system, and these rings are made of tiny particles of ice and rock. Saturn's atmosphere is quite like that of Jupiter, because it is also largely composed of hydrogen and helium. Saturn has a diameter of 120,500 kilometers, and it has 62 natural satellites that are mainly composed of ice. As compared with Jupiter, it has fewer satellites. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is the lightest of all the giant and outer planets. The presence of methane in the atmosphere gives Uranus a blue tint. Uranus's core is colder than the other giant planets, and the planet orbits on its side. Uranus has a diameter of 51,120 kilometers, and it has 27 natural satellites. Neptune. Neptune is the last planet in our solar system. It is also the coldest of all the planets. Neptune is around the same size as Uranus, but it is much more massive and dense. Neptune's atmosphere is composed of helium, hydrogen, methane, and ammonia, and it experiences extremely strong winds. It is the only planet in our solar system that was found by mathematical prediction. Neptune has a diameter of 49,530 kilometers, and it has 14 natural satellites which are more than Earth and Mars.